Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Rahman Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make extension board wiring diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Indicator. Switch 1, socket 1. Switch 2, socket 2. Switch 3, socket 3. Phase connection to indicator and connect with switch 3. Phase connection to switch 1. Phase connection to switch 2. Neutral connection to indicator neutral point. Neutral connection to socket 3, socket 2 and socket 1 neutral terminal. Phase connection from switch 1 to connect with socket 1 phase terminal. Phase connection from switch 2 and connect with socket 2 phase terminal. Phase connection from socket 3 to connect with socket 3 phase terminal. Earth connection to socket 3, socket 2 and socket 1 earth terminal. Now it's ready for use. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me.